Hey guys, Chris from Flow Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to delete the M2 mounting box to replace it with our miniature Plinth delete kit on this new M2. Let's go. So why do you need a delete kit? If you're an M2 owner or about to buy one, you'll notice that the mounting box is way too big. I mean, I think any Australian plate is going to be smaller than this box. So when you buy the car new, you want to tell your dealership not to install this box and provide our version instead. It's going to be a lot smaller, but most importantly, you're not going to be left with 4 exposed holes beyond your plate. So this will fix that problem, and I'll show you how to put it on the car. For installation, it's really easy. This is the new version, so these feet and this nose lines up with the car pretty much perfectly. It doesn't even move. The old version didn't have a locator, so this is going to be really easy to install. All you got to do is line it up, mark the hole, pilot it, and the screw goes in and you're done. So now that you have our plinth on, you just got to choose the right bracket to suit your plate style. So in this car, we've got a slimline plate, so we grab a slimline bracket. So if you've got any other style, like standard or European, you got to grab the correct bracket to match your plate. All you got to do is line up the slots with the brass thread, put your bolts in, and you're halfway done. So I've got the bracket on at the correct height that I would like. What that's left to do is mount the plate in all 4 corners using the provided hardware. And you have it, M2 delete kit all done. You no longer have a big gigantic box. You've gone down a nice slim profile with the new delete kit. I hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.